Hello everyone, it's Redstone Creator here, and I'm going to show you my automatic furnace machine. If you want a full tutorial on this, be sure to leave a like and I'll be sure to do that. So as you can see, it's a Redstone tutorial. I've been testing it out and it's fully operational. As you can see, there is a problem. Every time you use it, a little bit of about 4 pieces average of coal will reappear for a stack, but I can't seem to fix it, and I don't think it's a major problem. So I'll first show you, put some in, and then I'll show you the redstone behind. So we need iron and coal. You can use any other type, but coal is the material I've been using. So you could use lava too, and the buckets will return to that chest. So they're just off right now. I didn't set them off, but it turned off. So this is where there will be recharged. This one's already. So the items are going into this. So basically how it works is whenever there's an item coming through, it'll set this off. I use a torch, so it will turn it off when the comparator reaches a signal. So that turns this rail off here, which stops the minecarts. The repeaters are for when it's right here, it's gonna go all the way to here. So that's the reason. I'll explain to you later, but anyway, so they're getting full. This one's probably already full, and then the reason for this long repeater line is because we want to make sure everything gets in the minecart. But if you don't want to wait that long, you could cut this in half. Doesn't matter. And they're sent off, as you can see. This is like furnace hopper, 2 hoppers going into it. One is for the fuel, and the other for the ore. As you can see, it already went in. It's already cooked. So the beacon turns off whenever coming in. As I told you, some coal. And it's pretty fast because it's a 60 furnace, and it's going all the way up to 50 right now. It's stopping at 59. As you can see, beacon's already back on. Oh, turned off. And as you can see, it did it pretty fast. So remember to leave a like if you want to see the full tutorial for this. And bye.